Facts. People are making money online for the very first time with this system. What does that mean? That means people who've never made a single penny online are currently making themselves a very nice online income with this system. Not idle talk, this is a fact. If you're not making a consistent work from home income, you must see how to start making $100 to $250 every single day. That is a fact. Comment below, let me in, and I will get you the information that you need to, for a fact, start making yourselves $100 to $250 every single day. Don't hesitate. Do not procrastinate. I'm only looking for 5 people to get in on this opportunity. Hurry. I'll see you on the inside.